In this video, what we have to discuss how to join the classroom using the class code, as well as how to access the assignment in the point of student view, as well as how to grading the assignment by the teacher. These things we have to discuss here. First, I have to join the class using this class code. Just I copy the class code, I share with my students. Then I have to join the class with using my another mail id. Here there is an option join class. I click this join class and I paste the code here and join. Here I will join with the that class by using another mail id. Okay, then here I have posted the assignment. How the assignment has been viewed by the student in the student view. We have discussed here. Yes, this is the view of the student view. This is the demo class. Then I have to see all classes. This is the demo class. I have joined here, and also by using another mail id. Then I click on this. Here we have to see the material we have already previously posted, and then the posted new material here. Using the material, other materials also we have share here. Also, then what are the things? Assignment here posted here. The assignment have to be seen by the student as like this. The student view all the criteria for writing the assignment. That is content, coherence, uniqueness, and creativity and critical thinking. These things are all the criteria for writing the assignment. Here there is an option. This is the assignment and your work here. Add or create work here. That's I click this add create. Whether I have write the assignment on my own in my Word document or the PowerPoint, and after that I have to share here as like the attachment link file, or else I have to upload all the local document to the Drive cloud. Cloud in the cloud, and after that you have to share from the cloud here, or else I maybe if I know the link of that particular file in my cloud, after I will give the link of that cloud here, or otherwise if we share we create the Google Docs or slide sheet. These things also, these things work done by have to be utilized by the student side also. This is also we have to say. If I have an already I have created the assignment on my own in my local drive, then I have to search search that file from clicking that file attachment, and I upload from my local drive. That is I browse, that is from that. Then I have already type and change that document and the PDF. That is the work of my students. That is I have posted as like my own work. That is I uploaded here. Then after that I have to click turn in option. If I add more files, we keep add on file more than whatever how many files we have to add. There is not a limitation. That is I turn in here. This is as the part of the student. I have turned in my assignment to my teacher. That is the part of the student. This is the side of the student side. Then what we have to see from the teacher side. That is this is the teacher view. Here the classwork I have posted to the student. Here that is the work is here, and then I have click on this work is here. Then I have to receive one response from the student. Then I move on to that work. sorry. Then I move on to the particular work of that. Yes, that one is done in my as the teacher view, and then I click on that done in option. I have to see this window, that is the instruction, this and the part of the student work here. Instruction here, the student work is here. Then I have to assess the student work. When I click on, if I have many students, means the students will be listed, list will be listed out here, and the respective assignments will be noted in the right side of the window. Then in the left side, all the list of the student to be listed out. Here I am going to assess the assignment. What are the assignment, how many assignments I have to receive. Just I click on this. Then I have seen the assignment sent by the student. Yes, here the student, the assignment sent by the student. Here there is a grade. This is the window. We have to assess this is the assessment window. You have to read the assignment, and along we have to assess the assignment in the same window itself. It's a very much easy to assess than with the papers. That is, I have to read this, all this. I have to give the mark for the content, and also I have to isn't this. Yes, here it is, compare and contrast national education policy with the new education policy. That is, I have given some instruction among the students that were there, they have followed. They are in the coherence. I wish to give some marks, means that I have to give the mark. As like that, we have to give the mark for them. So as like that, we have to give the mark. After completing the allotment of the mark, the teacher to be post to the return the file to the student. Here I have to write the return, and as well as the work, the comment also have to be posted by the students privately. These comment to not to be seen by other student. Since this is the private comment, I have, whatever comment I have is to share, I have to share with them. If the relevant, the file, if the assignment is not relevant to the title, means we have to give the comment and make them to write again. As like that, we have to monitor the student. Okay. Then here the return, then I have to post the comment and return the assignment. When I click return the assignment, it asks student will be notified and check any grade you have left. Okay, again we have to check whether we may leave any criteria or any we have missed any mark. As like that, just check another one more time. After that, we click return. Just returning this. Also, this will return to the student view and post the private comment also. In the student side, what we have to see here, in the student side. Then the assignment here, yes, the student view here, content, yes, this their mark assigned by the teacher, and as well as have to see the private comment from the teacher. These internal score as well as the marks private comment couldn't seen by the another student. This is very much confidentially have to be maintained by the teacher. Their answer couldn't be seen by another student. Everything is a confidential one here. That is the only thing, the particular teacher as well as the student only able to see the assignment as well as their marks and their private comment. That's all. That's all. Up to this I have to stop here. Remaining things we will see in the next video.